Hi, this is Mr. Leckenby from the Edison Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to access and use a database called TeenBookCloud, which is an ebook and audiobook database that we offer for free to community members of Edison. So to begin, you're going to need your Edison Public Library card. If you don't currently have a library card, if you go to our website at edisonpubliclibrary.net and scroll midway down, you'll see that there's an area where you can actually apply for a card right now and get a library card number and PIN. Once you have that information, come back to our website and click Databases. We're going to scroll down. The databases are alphabetical, so we're going to scroll down to TeenBookCloud. And there are two aspects to TeenBookCloud. There's TeenBookCloud Library, which is for children, and there's TeenBookCloud or TeenBookCloud, which is for teens. As you click that, you may have to authenticate by putting in your library card number and PIN. Once you do that, you'll come to this page where you can see right away that we have lots of options. So there's recently added books, those are the newest. Graphic novels. Enhanced ebooks are ebooks that come with audio. So you can read the book and listen to the audio at the same time. Fiction, nonfiction, drama and poetry, videos, and then straight audiobooks. Audiobooks would not come with any text. If you are a high school student in an advanced placement class, we do have an AP English collection. These are books that will probably be assigned by your AP teacher in high school. You can search in TeenBookCloud, and you can search by title, author, genre, and reading level. I'm going to search for the book 1984. Just to show you what you'll see when you do a search. So the first search result is just the straight text ebook. So if you'll see it's just the text, and you can start reading that. If you scroll down, there is the AP version, which comes with the audio. So you can just listen to it.
Blackstone Audio presents 1984.
Or you can just read it. If you scroll down more, this is just the straight audiobook. Then there's the enhanced ebook, which you'll see is the text, but down here, if you click play,
Blackstone Audio presents 1984.
So you can read along with the audio. If you need details about the book that you're reading, it's usually on the search result page. It gives you the author name, the publisher, and the reading level. So that's TeenBookCloud. I hope this has been useful for you and that everyone is staying safe, and we'll see you next time here on our Facebook.